Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel contractor payments to your US bank. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Deel contractor payments to your US bank, start by logging into your Deel account. Once logged in, navigate to the payments section on your dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your available payments. Select the payment you wish to withdraw. Click on the withdraw option next to your chosen payment. Next, choose your preferred method for withdrawal. If you're withdrawing to a US bank, select Bank Transfer. You may need to enter your bank account details if you haven't done so already. Fill in your account number and routing number accurately. Once your bank details are entered, review and confirm the information. Decide on the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that it does not exceed the available balance. After confirming your withdrawal amount, click on the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been received. Check your email for further confirmation and updates on your withdrawal status. The processing time for bank transfers typically varies, so be patient. You'll receive your funds in your US bank account once the process is complete. If you encounter any issues, contact Deel's customer support for assistance. Make sure to keep track of your transactions for future reference. You have now successfully learned how to withdraw from Deel contractor payments to your US bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.